Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Now we are here in CFCST campus and in front of admin. So now we are looking for 3 random students to interview. So let's go.
Arat na!
Hi guys, welcome again. So ngayon nakahanap na po tayo ng first person to interview. So let's go. Hi ma'am, pili kami. May tatlo lang po kami question para sa inyo. First is, why did you choose CFCST?
Why did I choose CFCST? I choose CFCST because here in CFCST, they don't have a location.
Second po, ano po yung course niyo? At bakit pinili niyo po yun?
My course is, I am PS in Community Development. And I choose the PS and Community Development because I love to help to improve the community.
Third question po, for you po, what is communication?
Communication is interaction of people using digital or technology, cell phone. That's it.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay na?
Mag-favor. Pwede ka mo mag-interview. One person lang po. Three question lang po lang. One is, first po is, why did you choose CFCST? I choose CFCST because malapit lang po siya sa bahay. Tapos, no tuition and para maka-new experience with the day. Secondly, question po is, what is your course and why did you choose that? Course ko pa is social work. So, I choose social work because I want to experience new things. Difficult man gud ang social work, hindi lang siya social work na ginatawag sa pag-help lang sa people, pero mas broad na siya. So, lastly po is,
What is communication?
communication about is all about communicating other people, means interacting new people and meeting new person. Thank you po.
Ay, hello.
Pwede kami mag-interview.
Pwede naman.
Three question about why you choose CFCST.
Pinili ko yung 660 dahil big opportunity para sa akin na makapili ng isang kurso na gusto ko. Kasi dito lang yung mas malapit sa amin. At nakakalis ako sa gastusin. At saka yung narinig ko nung una na technician dito. At saka maganda yung quality dito kasi government talaga yung nag-handle sa kaya napili ko ang 660 kasi yun less of gastusin.
And second is, what is your course and why you choose them?
Course, sa tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, my first choice is maging criminology kasi dito lang yung mas malapit. Kaya pinili ko yung criminology kasi kahit hindi ko alam na second batch pa naman kami dito. Yung first batch, wala pa naman nakagraduate. Pero sinubukan ko lang kasi yun nga, mas malapit.
Then lastly is, what is communication about?
Communication sa anong paraan doon? Paanong paraan? So,
Like, ano siya? Another person talking or
o ano bang may advice or
para sa iyo, kuya, ano ang communication?
what is a communication about?
Oh,
Ang communication ito ay isang proseso ng pakikipag-ugnayan. Involved na din yung pagiging socializing sa ibang tao. Dahil kapag wala yung communication, hindi ka halimbawa tulad ng pag-a-apply, pag-enroll, di ba kailangan mo ng communication. So kailangan talaga ng communication kasi yun yung process para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Okay.
Okay po.